Hello everybody, Teacher Jack here. So it is Tuesday the 18th of May 2021, and again this week we are just reviewing what we've learned so far in the book. So today we're on to verbs. The verbs has and have. So remember, verbs are action words. So they're talking about something that is happening. Okay? So we're learning how to use the words has and have correctly. So, as it says at the top here, we use has after he, she, or it, and we use have after I, you, we, and they. Okay? So, what I'm going to do now is complete a worksheet alongside you as you watch and understand that when we are using names such as Tom, which is a boy's name, then we have to use what we would use for he, because he is for boys and she is for girls, right? So if you see a girl's name like Tina, or you see a boy's name like Tom or Emma, then you have to use what you would use for he and she, okay, which is has. So let's look at it together. So you have to complete the sentences with the correct form of verb. So has or have. So the first one says, Tina blank a problem. So the answer, what is it? Is it has or have? It is has. It is has, because for he, she, or it we use has, and Tina is a girl, so she is a she. So the answer is has. Number 2, Tom blank finished all my homework. So Tom is a boy, so remember, like Tina, the answer must be has. Whoops. Alright, move that. The answer must be has. Tom has finished all my homework. Okay? Next one. Emma. Emma. So Emma is a girl's name. So again, like the first two, the answer must be has, because she's a girl. So Emma has a positive mind. That means she thinks really good. She's a happy person. So Emma has a positive mind. So when we're using people's names, when they're boys or girls, we have to use has. Okay? Next one, number 4. They blank a new car. Now remember, when do we use have? After I, you, we, and they. So the answer is have. They have a new car. They have a new car. That's the answer. The next one, she blank lived here for 2 years. She blank lived here for 2 years. Now we've used she. Remember what we use for she? We use has. So it should be she has lived here for 2 years. The next one, my dog blank a new collar. So what is the dog? What does the dog come under? It's not a he or a she, it's an it. And when we have an it, we use has. So my dog has a new collar. Next one, firefighters blank a difficult job. Now firefighters is plural. I know I taught you this. So you're talking about a group of people, which is they, which is a they, because you're talking about a group of people, firefighters. So it would be have. Firefighters have a difficult job, which they do. Firefighters have to put out the fires, right? They, again, same as firefighters, they have done all the tasks. They have done all the tasks. Next one. Okay, these ones. You're asking a question. When you're asking a question, use question words like have. Have you been to Spain? Spain is a country. Have you been to Spain? And the last one, number 10, anyone blank an extra pen. Anyone have an extra pen? Okay, so sorry, didn't tell you that at the start, but for questions, these are question words. Have, okay? So we look through it together. Tina has a problem. Tom has finished all my homework. Emma has a positive mind. They have a new car. She has lived there for 2 years. My dog has a new collar. Firefighters have a difficult job. They have done all the tasks. Have you been to Spain? Anyone have an extra pen? Okay, so this is just the golden rules, what you need to remember. So we use has after he, she, or it. So this also means that they use it after he as in a boy's name, and she a girl's name, or it any kind of animal or thing. Okay, and we use have after I, you, we, and they. They could also mean that when you're talking about a group of people, okay, like firefighters or zombies. Alright, so now it's time to complete your worksheet. Thank you very much.